Hello everyone. Today we will look at highest common factor. Dividing the chocolates. So this was the problem we were looking at yesterday when we were trying to find out the factors of a number. We will continue with the same problem. You have a bag of 54 chocolates. Your friend has a bag of 63 chocolates. You have to pack the chocolates in boxes. In how many ways can you and your friend put the chocolates in the boxes so that all boxes have the same number of chocolates and there isn't any chocolate left in your bags? So this was the problem which we looked at yesterday, and all of you went and found out in how many ways can you divide the chocolates into the boxes. We looked at factors. If you cannot remember how we did the problem, or if you are not in class, please watch the video on factors. The second part of the problem was, what is the maximum number of chocolates you and your friend can put in each bag? You have to remember that all bags must have the same number of chocolates. So today we are going to look at the second part of the problem. What is the maximum number of chocolates you and your friend can put in each bag? This is how we are going to find out if we follow what we learned yesterday. So yesterday we found the factors of 54, which was 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18, 27 and 54. And the factors of 63 we found out were 1, 3, 7, 9, 21 and 63. From the factors of 54 and 63, which numbers are present in both? It's 3 and 9. We are not considering 1 because 1 is a factor of all numbers. So 3 and 9 are the factors which are common for both 54 and 63. Between 3 and 9, which is the larger number? 9 is the larger number. So what we found out yesterday is we can divide the chocolates in the boxes in equal numbers if we put them same as the factors, which means 9 is the maximum number of chocolates I can put in each bag for 54 and 63. So that is the answer. But we shall try to find out what is an easy way of doing this. Our objective today in class is we will be able to know about highest common factor and how to find the HCF of a number. So highest common factor, or HCF, is the highest factor that is common to two or more numbers. How to find the HCF of two numbers? We will look at the same two numbers we have in the problem, 54 and 63, and find out the HCF of these two numbers. The first step is to find the prime factors of the numbers. We have already learned how to find the prime factors. If you cannot remember, please watch the video on finding prime factors. So what are the prime factors of 54? We can use the division method or the number tree method to find the prime factors of 54. So the prime factors are 2, 3, 3, 3. And what are the prime factors of 63? 3, 3 and 7. So we have found the prime factors of 54 and 63. This is the first step. Next, we are going to move the prime factors if we are writing down so that the matching numbers are lying one under the other. So this is an easy way to see which numbers are matching between the two and which numbers are not. So 54 and 63, the numbers that are matching are 3. So we write down the number 3. The next number which is matching is 3. So we write down the number 3. Are there any other numbers matching? No, they are not. So now what we do, we multiply the numbers we have found and we get 9. This is the highest common factor. So these are the steps we follow to find the highest common factor of two numbers. Now let us practice. Let us help Alice again. Alice has made 24 chocolate cookies. Her mother made 64 plain cookies. They do not have many packets to put the cookies in. Therefore, they have to put the maximum number of cookies in each packet so that all packets have the same number of cookies and no cookies are left. This is the problem we are going to solve. Before we start solving the problem, let us break down the word problem into small steps. We have learned already how to break down problems into small steps. So we have got 64 plain cookies and 24 chocolate cookies. What is the problem? All packets must have the same number of cookies. And after we put them into packets, no cookies must be left. Finally, we will find the maximum number of cookies in each packet we can divide. So how are we going to do this problem? We will find the HCF of 24 and 64. This is the maximum number of cookies we can put in each packet. What are the steps to find the HCF? First, we will find the prime factors of 24 and 64. Next, we will find the common prime factors between 24 and 64. After that, we will multiply the common prime factors. The answer or the product that we get after multiplication is the HCF. This is the maximum number of cookies we can put in each packet. You can take the next 5 minutes to solve this problem. You can pause the video as you are trying to solve the problem. Once you are finished, you can come back and start watching it again. You can pause the video now. So how did we do? Let us see how we can divide the cookies into packets. First, we have got 64 plain cookies and 24 chocolate cookies. The prime factor of 24 is 2, 2, 2, 3. You can use the division rule or the number tree to find the prime factors of 24. What are the prime factors of 64? 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Again, you can use the number tree method or the division method to find the prime factors of 64. So now we have found the prime factors of both 24 and 64. The next step is we have to find out which factors are common in both the numbers. We will find them out. So 2 is common. The next 2 is common. After that, the next 2 is common. There are no more common numbers left. Now we will multiply all the common numbers and get the HCF. So 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, which is 8, which is the HCF of 24 and 64. So 8 cookies are the maximum number of cookies we can put in each packet. So this is how we find the HCF of a number. Let us try giving this test and check our understanding.